Lady Jumper, goal 16. Good for 1.5 Bayan, number 02 from the free shooting. Number 27 got the ball by number 12, Secreto. Cross the lane. Dribbling the ball, spin! Check! Number 2, layup, basket, Bayan number 2. Just pass, Secreto to number 27. Cross the lane. Torrico, Hernandez, Ganda, pass break, Agosito, steal. Secreto number 12, dribbling the ball. Secreto na, zigzagging. Pass to turnover. Wala nang wait. Number 19, Ronda. Ronda number 19. Pass to number 12. Step back for 3. Now good. Rebound by Secreto. Bumpers the whistle. Out by jersey number 12. Agua Sabay. To number 27. Torrico. Number 27. Crossing to the mid-court. Drive. Running jump shot. Bumpers the whistle. Out by jersey number 10. Torrico number 27. From the free throw lane. First free throw. Torrico in and out. Second free throw by Torrico number 27. Second free throw by Torrico number 27. Now good. Agbasito in the rebound, number 12. Crossing to the mid-court. Agbasito, drive. Back on Sousa. Agbasito number 12. Now good. Second free throw by Agbasito number 12. Last free throw. Turnover. Turnover.
Awag na ulo niya.
40. Coordination 20.
Awag na ulo niya.
Number 27, Torrico to Secreto number 12, back to Torrico number 27. Running on the floor, zigzagging, Torrico get inside. Hawk shot, now good, Torrico. Long post teammate, kick out, 4-3. Secreto, no good, Balnews, trailed by Sades. 4-2, put back, Torrico number 27. 3 minutes and 55. Ronda number 19 dribbling the ball. Ronda, long three. Now good. Torrico number 27 in the rebound. Double team. Pass to Secreto number 12. Chest pass. Hernandez back to Secreto. Back and that. Basket. Secreto number 12.
Lakas!
3 minutes and 25.
Wala naman nakapaligid sa kanya.
Number Bayer, long three. Bayer, three. Secreto. Substitution. Holding the ball to Aguasito number 12. Aguasito. Open. Reverse. Now good. Rebound by Tapang number 96. Diado. To Aguasito. Shot lock down, double and shot lock, double sa whistle. Sales to Villamar number 25, traveling violation. Popular number 13, 4-2, no good. First time going by Sales to Hernandez. Running on the floor. Kick out, scored by Tapang. So, Bayer number 2. Bayer, open, layup, basket. 2 minutes and 21. Bigam Marco number 8. Sales, harassed by behind the back. Harassed by Popular. Number 8, dead inside. Dayat, wala. Rebound by Pabulang. Back-stroke pass. Abrasido. Number 12. Abrasido. Lago. Rebound by Stronger na ball. Temple. Wala ng block. 1 minute and 56 seconds remaining time. Hernandez to Salas, number 8. Dribbling the ball, crossing to the midcourt. Salas, deep inside. Still move. 1 minute and 45. Bayer, dribbling the ball. Bayer, layup, no good. Tapang, Abrasido, wala. Tapang, Bayer, no good. Abrasido, Tapang, wala. Abrasido, again. Wala. Second free throw by Abrasido, number 12. Second free throw by Abrasido, number 12. Second free throw by Abrasido, number 12, ready jumper. Jumper ready. No good. Big rebound, number 25, Villamar, pass break. To Hernandez, Sales. Pass inside, still, Aguacito, number 12. Dribbling the ball, behind the back. Aguacito. Wala to daw. Second free throw. Second free throw by Aguacito, number 12. Second free throw. Dalawa pa, walang jumper, wala pang jumper. Isa na yan, back ko yan.
3
Tatlo
points.
yan, nakatira ng isa, dalawa pa. Dalawa pa, walang jumper. Last free throw, last free throw.
Yung Jollibee!
Second free throw by third last free throw. Boston!
Para sa Jollibee!
Hernandez, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 8, Salas. Hernandez, dribbling the ball. Goes inside. No good. Hernandez. Kick out. Villamar, 4-2. No good. Rebound by Tapang. Number 11. Save. Villamar, 4-3. Air ball. 35.
Yung Jollibee, labas nyo!
14. Compensation from number 15. 25 yan, 25.
Simula na nag-jump yung nilabas sa Jollibee.
Second
Yung
number.
dalawa.
Last free throw by Aguacito.
Para sa Jollibee.
Babu, rebound by Salas, number 8. Rafael Tabular. Rafael Tabular. Tabular number 13. 13. 15.